Good morning, students. Students, in the previous class, we learned about introduction about coordinate geometry. In that lesson, we learned how to identify point on a coordinate plane. So we learn about order pair, what is x-axis, what is y-axis, how to represent or how to mark the point on the coordinate plane. Okay children, once you look at the picture, a horizontal line is called x-axis and a vertical line is called y-axis. Okay children, if you take any point on the any quadrant, so how to identify the distance from x-axis is how much and the distance from y-axis is how much. Like that we represent the point. Okay children. And what is the name of x-axis? Abscissa. What is the name of y coordinate? Ordinate. You remember these two meanings. X coordinate also is called abscissa and y coordinate is called ordinate. Okay children, today I am going to explain about slopes. So before going to learn about slopes, first of all you can learn about inclination of a line. Inclination of a line. Look at the board. Inclination of a line. The angle made by a straight line with positive direction of x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction is called its inclination. Once again children, the angle made by a straight line with which direction? Positive direction of x-axis in the which direction? Anti-clockwise direction is called its inclination. Look at the picture here. Here I draw a coordinate plane. Horizontal line x-axis, vertical line y-axis. Okay children. So it is the line. Now the angle made by the line with the x-axis here. Look here. This line made angle denoted by theta in positive direction of x-axis is called inclination of a line. Understood what is inclination? Okay, next to go for slope. Slope another name gradient. That's why slope or gradient of a line. How to define? If theta is the inclination of a line L, then its slope is denoted by m and is given by m equal to tan theta. Remember here. So particular how to find slope? M equal to tangent of theta. We already learned in trigonometry what is tan theta. Okay children? Tan theta means what? Opposite side by adjacent side. Okay. So that's why that is called slope definition. A slope is nothing but we treat it as steepness. That means slant height. For example, look here. See here. Take this one. Okay. So if you want to ride the bicycle, see children. If you want to ride the bicycle, so if the height is more means what happened? You fall down. So the steepness from the surface of the earth is called slope. The another meaning. Okay children, slope is nothing but steepness, or in common word, the surface where one end is higher or lower, then the steepness is called slope. Okay children, understood? Slope means is nothing but steepness, or mathematical definition. If theta is the inclination of a line L, then its slope is denoted by m and is given by m equal to tan theta. So slope, another definition, children. Slope equal to rise by run. Rise by run. For example, take here x-axis and y-axis. Okay, children. Here, rising here. Okay, and run like this down. So the rise by run is called slope also. Slope equal to rise by run. How much it will be increases or decreases by how much it will be run. That means walk on the direction. That is also called slope. Understand, children? Slope means slope is nothing but tangent of theta. Theta means what? Angle of inclination. What is angle of inclination? The line made an angle with x-axis in the positive direction of anti-clockwise direction is called inclination. So it is the interconnecting definition between slope and angle of inclination. Understand? So slope concept is very important. Okay, children? We find different type of slopes. Okay, children? Slope definition already what we learned? Rise by run. So what is the slope of a line on x-axis or parallel to x-axis? Okay. So how to find? Take a straight line. A line contains compulsory 2 points. Point A, point B. Here what is the rise? Rise is nothing but 0. 0 by run is equal to 0. That means slope of x-axis. Slope of x-axis is 0. Okay, children? Slope of x-axis is 0 because rise by run. So straight line means no rising is there. 0. 0 by run, 0. Now similarly, what is the slope of a line parallel to x-axis? It is also 0. Next, second one. How to find slope of y-axis? See, children, we know this one. Coordinate plane. Slope of a line which is parallel to y-axis or y-axis. So how to find slope? Definition what? Rise by run. Slope equal to rise by run. So here y-axis rising is there, but running 0. So anything but 0 what happened? Not defined. Not defined. Or you can use infinite. Infinite or undefined. So slope of y-axis is what, children? Not defined or infinite. Understand? So slope of a line which is parallel to y-axis is not defined, or slope of y-axis is not defined. Here you learn 4 results. Slope of x-axis is 0 and slope of a line which is parallel to x-axis also 0. Third point. Slope of y-axis is not defined and slope of a line which is parallel to y-axis is also not defined. Understand what is the meaning of slope? Slope is nothing but rise by run. In mathematical definition, m equal to tan theta. Understand, children, what is the slope definition? Please, you can observe the definition and note it down on your running notebook. Next time, we'll derive some more concepts on slopes. Okay, children?